I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to be doing my mama's nails, and she hasn't had her nails for ages. She wanted some beautiful autumn nails and I was like, perfect, we've just come out with 5 new autumn colors and we are going to be using cinnamon, which is honestly absolutely gorgeous. It is a matte kind of like cinnamony color, I guess. You can check it out. I'll have it linked for you guys down below, or at least listed down below, and the website will be linked. So I'm coming in, I've already cleansed my mother's nails and I'm using the super scraper, which is a double-ended scraper pusher, and it will be available on the website soon. Hopefully it's available now. If so, I'll have the link down below. If not, it's coming very, very soon. Our tools are currently just in logo placement department, so it shouldn't be too long until they are back in stock with us, because I know you guys have been wanting them so bad. And our super scraper is honestly amazing. It absolutely lifts all of that dead skin off of the nail plate. You can push the cuticles back and really just make sure that your prep is thorough and really consistent throughout the entire manicure process. So all I'm doing is just lightly scraping on the nail plate, not applying much pressure at all. We don't want to damage the nail or harm the client. We are literally just lifting that dead skin, and honestly guys, you will be so surprised with how easy that just removes. So further to really make sure that my prep is thorough, I'm going to come in with the cuticle clean bit and literally just whip that around that cuticle area, and that's really just going to help tidy up the skin and tidy up the cuticle area to make sure that we've got a nice even kind of application, a nice even cuticle, so that we can get a nice neat application of the acrylic. So I just love the cuticle clean, but it's so gentle and soft, and it really just eliminates more of that dead skin and debris that is on the nails. So I also buffed the nails with my 100-180 grit files from Glitter Planet, and then I'm coming in with the pointed almond nail tips and I'm applying those with the instant nail glue, also both from Glitter Planet. Now this glue I trimmed the bristles so that it was thinner. That way it's perfect for applying crystals, but I couldn't find my other one, so I was just using it in this one. If anyone's wondering why the brush was slightly slimmer, that's the reason why. Anyway, I'm coming in and I am going to apply the pointed almond tips on all of the nails, and then I'll be back. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Also guys, I just wanted to say, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really hope you are enjoying my content throughout October. I'm trying to do 31 days of Halloween, although I know that some of my videos aren't Halloween themed, but I still think it kind of counts because, you know, I'm still doing 31 days of videos, or at least trying to. So hopefully you guys are really enjoying it. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And as it gets closer to Halloween, let me know if you've had any more thoughts on your costume ideas. I'm not sure what we're going to be this Halloween, but I'm so excited. So excited! So now I'm coming in with the Outer Space tip cutters from Glitter Planet, and I'm going to be trimming down the tips. And then I'll come in with the Stoic scissors and my 100-180 grit nail files. And as you can see on the pointer finger there, I've already filed into shape. That's just what we are going for in this set. A super short, kind of baby almond shape. And check me out adding some different angles in here. I felt like a freaking whiz kid. I was like, hail to the yeah. Jokes. It's because I tidied my room and my desk. So I was like, I can actually show you guys a little bit more desk because there is actually some space there to see. Usually it's absolutely cluttered and full of just products and glitter and nails that I'm in the process of doing. It's crazy, but I had a really good day of tidying up and just organising and cleaning everything, so I feel so much more calmer and in more of a creative space. It just feels beautiful, so I thought I'd get some different angles in here whilst I can. So now that I've finished applying the tips and shaping them, I'm coming in with Crystal Clear Acrylic from Nailmate, and I've already applied my Pro Bond Acid Primer to the nails, and that's just going to promote adhesion of the acrylic. So I'm applying a base of clear to all of the nails, and that's just going to allow me to apply my colours, and then when my mum comes back in, say 3 weeks for a design change, it's easy for me to file back down. It's also going to stop the natural nail from getting stained, and if you are applying any glitter, it's going to make the adhesion a lot better to the nail plate rather than just going straight in with the glitter. So the coloured acrylic I'm using in today's video is one of the new Nailmate Elite Acrylic Art Powder collection, and the collection is Forest Floor. So I just wanted to bring out a small collection of warm tones, and the shade that I'm using is Cinnamon, and I've paired it with the loose glitter, which is Bronze, which is also available on my website. I'll list everything down below so you guys can kind of have a look. The core nail bed powder that I'm using in today's video is Toasted Rose. I absolutely love it. It's one of my ultimate favourite. It suits so many different skin tones. As you can see, my mum has quite a lot paler skin than mine, and it's not as olive or tan. And you can still see it still suits her, but it absolutely suits me as well. I absolutely love Toasted Rose. So I just applied a extended nail bed there. And now I'm coming in with Cinnamon to the middle finger, and I'm just going to apply that to the entire nail. And then I'm going to use the Bronze glitter and do that across the nail. So next I'm coming in with Bronze, and I'm going to do that on the free edge of the nail, making sure that I've got a nice even and full coverage of the glitter. And I'm going to do it almost all the way up, but we want a nude or kind of pinky nail bed area. So I'm going to allow that to set, and then I'll come in with Toasted Rose afterwards. You'll notice that I didn't allow it to set very much, and you know, I'm a bit impatient, so the glitter kind of got everywhere, but I did manage to kind of fix it. So for the thumbnail, it's going to be a full glitter nail. So I'm laying a thin base of Cinnamon, and then I'm coming in with Bronze. So now I'm just coming in with Toasted Rose, and that's going to be faded over the glitter that I've already laid down. And as I said before, you will see some of that glitter come loose, but I do manage to get it out of the way. It is probably best if you are doing a glitter fade this way around to wait for that glitter acrylic to completely set. So I refined my smile line using a 100-180 grit nail file, and now I'm coming in with cinnamon, and I'm just applying that to the free edge and butting it right up to the smile line to ensure that when I file this nail I get a really crisp, neat line. So now I'm going to follow the same process and do everything the same on the other hand. So I'll let you guys watch in peace. If, of course, you don't want to see the whole process again, then you can skip a little further on. And I do apply some Swarovski crystals, and we also have top coating as well. So now that I'm finished with my entire acrylic design, I'm coming in with crystal clear and I'm encapsulating all of the nails to ensure that that design is protected, so that when I come and file the nails into shape, everything is intact and nothing gets ruined. And the reason we also add clear over the top of design work is because design and colour powders are just for aesthetic. They are just to look nice. They aren't actually for any structure or strength. So adding that clear and building the apex and the structure of the nails allows the enhancement to be nice and strong and last for your clients. So once I'm finished with that, I allow the acrylic to set, and I'm going to come in with my medium smooth top ceramics. God, that was a handful, man. The medium smooth top ceramic drill bit from Glitter Planet, and I'm going to be just refining those nails, debulking, and just doing most of the work with the hand file. I always come back in with my 180 grit files afterwards and refine with the hand file and do the shaping around the free edge as well. So I added some Swarovski crystals over the top. I added quite a lot because this colour wasn't one that my mum usually has. She usually has quite bright in your face colours, but because we went with something a little bit more toned down and kind of neutral, even though it was still a bit glitzy, I wanted to add a real pop of, like, you know, crystallage, a little bit of like Swarovski, so that it really made the set stand out and made it more eye-catching. And she was super happy with the final result once I added the bling. So yeah, I added super gloss top coat, cured for 60 seconds, added some, what did we use? I think we used coconut cuticle oil. And this is the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Always remember that you are bomb.com. Let us fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. What are you doing, Pixie?
I'm doing this.
Okay.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.